My name is Maritime. I'm the Executive Director at Palm Beach Maritime Academy and High School, and I want to talk to you about a very, very important topic today, and that topic is threats. As you all know, we live in a very, very different world than the world in which parents and certainly I grew up in. And things are taken much more seriously now than they ever were, and with good reason. Schools have become a place where we drill, where we make sure our children are safe, where we do everything we can to protect our teachers and our students. But I need you to talk to your children, and students, I need you to be aware that threats are taken very, very seriously. Whether it's a threat joking around, whether it's a threat that you really don't mean, whether it's a threat that you really do mean. If you make a threat, a lot of things go into motion. There's an investigation. The police are called. Crisis teams are called. It puts a lot of things, as I said, in motion, and threats will not be tolerated. We don't know what threats are real and what threats aren't real. And of course, we're going to make the assumption that all threats are real. Students across the country are being arrested for making threats, even mild threats. Students are going to jail for making threats, even mild threats. Parents are being held accountable, and I really, really need you to all understand this. Parents, note about cell phones and social media. Please keep an eye on what your children are writing on social media. I understand that they feel they're entitled to privacy, but as long as they're under 18, they're under your jurisdiction. Remember that anything that goes onto social media from a cell phone or from anything that you pay for is something that you may have to answer for. So you have every right and an obligation to monitor what your children are doing. It's very important. So everybody, please, 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 don't make any kinds of threats. Don't make them kidding around. Don't make them seriously, certainly. And know that at Palm Beach Maritime Academy, if you're having issues, or you're having issues with other students, or you're having issues at home, we have a guidance counselor on each campus. We have a school mental health counselor who's full-time. We have a nurse full-time on each campus. We have teachers. We have administrators. You can talk to any of them. We have an anonymous box that you can look to talk to the guidance counselor. We have the anonymous bullying hotline. So handle things that way. We have a lot of avenues for you. Don't make threats, even fooling around. So please take this seriously. Parents, I absolutely need your help with this. Thank you for listening, and have a good rest of the day.